You've been eating canned green beans all your life. But what about fresh green beans? They very simple, very delicious, and they beat these green beans by far. Let Kanin Cuisine show you how to make them things. Bye. You're here. Oh yeah, we're gonna start it out with these canned green beans. I know your mama and granny and great granny been making these canned green beans forever. You used to them, you know. But here go a little simple recipe if you just want some regular green beans. Throw these in the pot right quick, and then I'm gonna come with these seasonings. Got to do a little seasoning salt in there. You know, black folk love seasoned salt. It is good on the canned goods. You hear me? Then we got a little onion powder. Don't worry about them brand names and all that. I had limited time, so I had to grab what I could. Got a little garlic powder right there. Don't take much. Then we're gonna come with the lemon pepper. Delicious. Then I got a little secret ingredient. I know y'all probably already know about this. The chicken bouillon cube. You know that bouillon. Put the fire on. Get it going. Yeah, buddy, don't take long. Just gotta warm it through because it's canned. It's already done. Just warm it up, man. And there you go. Canned green beans. They good, but they look like they going to the army though. They so dark. But hey, the taste is so marvelous for canned green beans, but they ain't doing nothing to them fresh green beans. You hear me? But this green bean juice, man, I take this to the club, me man. This is just so fat. They be like, "What you drinking on, my guy?" I be like, that green bean juice." You hear me? Ooh. Now this is one of the simple ways to make fresh green beans. You're gonna blanch it. This is what's called blanching. You have boiling water, throw a little salt in there for seasoning, and you leave them in the pot for approximately 1 minute. All you want to do is get the beans tender, and you want to take some of that snap out of there, and it's also gonna make your green beans a very bright green. And what I'm doing now is throwing them in the ice bath. It's gonna stop the cooking because we ain't trying to cook them all the way, because we're gonna season them up with this seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and Old Bay in a saute pan. And then I got a special ingredient that I bet y'all ain't never thought of: beef fat. Anytime you gotta brown off some hamburger meat for some spaghetti or some chili or something, save some of that fat, man. It's delicious flavor for vegetables, especially green ones. You hear me? Yeah. Now we gonna throw these green beans in here. No oil, no nothing, because we want to get some good browning on these vegetables. Because remember, browning is flavor. Browning is creating a flavor that would not have existed had you not done what you did to make that browning happen. Then we're gonna throw in some of this beef fat. This beef fat is some pretty much seasoned oil. Got a beefy flavor that goes well with green beans or pretty much anything green. It just works for some reason. So we're gonna put a little seasoned salt, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder. Then we're gonna come with that fire Old Bay. Folks just don't believe that Old Bay is good on vegetables, man. But it's another thing that's good on green vegetables. It's just hidden. I can't explain it. You need to use it. You need to do it. You hear me? You see that pan hot? You know, keep the pan hot just like that. Now we're gonna finish this green bean dish off with some butter. We gotta keep the food moving. Gotta keep it moving so your seasoning don't burn, your butter don't burn. And you can also come like this. You can toss it like that right there. That's a good way to get everything incorporated into your green bean real good. You hear me? Look at that. Marvelous. Seasoned. Buttery. Delicious. Ready to eat. There we go. All in the bowl. Looking all good. Look at this. Look at it. Ooh, man, I can't wait to taste it. Green beans, so easy and delicious. They killing canned green bean. Look, I tried to be sexy this time. It ain't just quite work out, so I had to go and come again one more time. See, there you go right there. Yeah, that's it. Fresh green bean killing. No canned green bean. I had a slick juke on that one. You hear me? Oh, here go Miss Cuisine. She got to be a part of every little thing. She cute though. I like her. You hear me? Ooh, look at her. Yeah, that's mine right there. You heard me.